Hi Junior 6, how are you? Our lesson today called multiplying and dividing integers. First, multiplying integers. If the signs are the same, then the product is positive. If I have two numbers with the same sign, the product is positive. That means if I have two numbers with the positive sign, positive times positive, it will be positive. And if I have two numbers with negative sign, negative times negative, it will be positive also. As an example, 4 times 7 equal 28. Positive times positive equal positive, and 4 times 7 equal 28. Negative 4 times negative 7 equals negative times negative equal positive, and 4 times 7 equal 28. Number 2, if the signs are different, then the product is negative. If the signs are different, then the product is negative. That means if I have positive multiplying by negative, the answer will be negative. And if I have negative multiplying by positive, the answer will be negative also. As an example, 7 times negative 3, I have positive times negative, the answer will be negative, and 7 times 3 equal 21. So the answer will be negative 21. Another example, negative 6 times 4, negative times positive equal negative, and 6 times 4 equals 24. The second, dividing integers. By the same way, if the signs are the same, then the product is positive. That means if I have positive divided by positive, the answer will be positive, and if I have negative divided by negative, the answer will be positive also. As an example, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Positive divided positive equal positive, and 8 divided 2 equal 4. And if I have negative 20 divided negative 4, that means I have negative divided by negative equal positive, and 20 divided by 4 equal 5. Number 2, if I have the different sign, then the quotient is negative. That means if I have positive number divided by negative, the answer will be negative. And if I have negative number divided by positive, the answer will be negative. As an example, 8 divided by negative 2, that means positive divided by negative, so the answer will be negative, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So the answer is negative 4. Negative 20 divided by 4, that means negative divided by positive, so the answer will be negative, and 20 divided 4 equal 5, so that's equal negative 5. Remember that Junior 6, dividing by 0 has no meaning. If I divided by any number divided by 0, that's equal nothing, no meaning. Okay, so if I have 5 divided by 0, that's no meaning. If I have negative 3 divided by 0, that's no meaning. Properties of multiplying and dividing in Z. Number 1, closure. What the meaning of closure, Junior 6? Closure, that's mean this is the property closed in this set. So the closure meaning any integers times any integers equal integers. Any integers times any integers equal integers. Okay, as an example, if I have 1 times negative 8 equal negative 8. So that means negative 8 belongs to Z. So the answer always belongs to Z. So the multiplying is closure in Z. But the dividing is closure in Z? I have 5 divided by 2, that's equal what? That's equal fraction, 5 over 2. You have any fraction? Or you have any fraction in that? No. So the dividing is not closure. The dividing is not closure. The second property, commutative. What's the meaning of commutative, Junior 6? Commutative means change place of number without affecting answer. That means 5 times 3 equals 3 times 5. This is the meaning of commutative. But the dividing is commutative. If I say 5 divided by 2, that's equal 2 divided by 5? No. So the dividing is not commutative. Number 3, associative. Associative means I have 3 numbers or more and I'm multiplying it. In another example, I have the same, in another side, I have the same number by the same order. But in the first side or in the left side, I starting from the last number, and in the right side, I starting from the first number, and the answer will be the same. So the multiplying is associative, but the dividing is not associative. I have a multiplicative identity. This is the fourth property of multiplying. What's the meaning of multiplicative identity? Word of identity means without effect. What's the multiplicative identity element in that? The multiplicative identity element, that means the number will be multiplied. I don't affect in this number. If I'm multiplying by what? Don't affect. Yes, if multiplying by 1. So the multiplicative identity or the multiplicative identity element in that is 1. So any number times 1 equals the same number. So 1 times 3 equals 3 times 1 equals 3. The last one in the properties of multiplying is distributed over addition and subtraction. If I have 3 times 2 plus 5, that's mean equal 3 times 2 plus 3 times 5. We are finished our lesson, Junior 6, and I see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.